Today we're gonna build an igloo and we're gonna explain you how to do it, because sleeping out there is always an experience, and if you have the chance to do an igloo one time, you're gonna remember it for the rest of your life. So you'll need a shovel, a good pair of gloves, and an extra one because you're gonna get them wet. And then today we've been using an igloo maker. So the goal is to create blocks with the box. The stick is gonna help you to keep the same distance all the way up. So the beginning, you can see we go up with a bit of a gradual angle. That's gonna be the beginning of our escargot, and then all the layers are gonna come on top. If you don't have an igloo maker, you can use a snow saw and cut your own blocks, but you need compact snow for that. A little door to get in. I made it as low as possible so that the cold doesn't come in too much. And we've got a bit of a cold trap down here. Yeehaw! The end is a bit tricky, so here I'm using the igloo maker without the box to support the arch while I'm closing it. All right, taking it off. Oh. I got scared. Yo! With your hands, you can rub the outside of the igloo to make sure it's gonna be more airtight. Last but not least, the little hole at the top. And voila, now you can leave the nasty air come out. How amazing! My first ever igloo, and yeah, look at this spot. Hey, voila, you're ready now to go and live in the Arctic. No, but seriously, you may not need to build an igloo for safety reasons, but you know, for fun, it's such a great way to experiment and to experience something wonderful into the mountains. So just go out there, bring your wife, bring your friends, bring some music, and have a great time.